Yabuna wata kuruchitana Chinsa, Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Lynette Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana Amayia. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Mwanji tumurigeria bwegete senige Nensoko TV nigona ndikigarigire Chinsa Isano Ibere chabona mugaso chinga kwaringaniria Amayia asenchira yobwenge karanso ikeryo nyare mnanyarika wataka kura Chinsem au unabutame nchongoro kadiana ndemo nani ngo kwaringania SMS Chinsa Isano Ibere onyore mnabutambe asenseme mtandao Facebook na wega sensemo ya YouTube na konyore gatialia tokwaringaniri kwanyaro kwimanya. Manjito muriria togo chaka bene ningo maraibe kiama kia UGM United Green Movement David Maraga au merana bararia ase abisi kia mekyo yogotoka igasomo chu Nairobi chisemo cha Westlands asakwanera igoro yembre nyinge gocha gutu imensi ya Kenya osembre nyinge hekane ile gocha gutu imensi ya Kenya sabulia serikali kwene kiamna kubekere meroberio yo kwene kiabuna abamenyi ben chinsemo au hangemono chiria chiranya chiko bwateraniwa banyare bakogena na magimabo buna butambe naboigo nigabolire abarayi bari baranyare gutenenera enibo iri rabeke ko bwatukwa banyare bakorena kibesicho na kwene kiabuna bukurumi bonde bonsi tiboyo asensemiyo.
I want to state categorically that any life lost, any harvest destroyed, and any outbreak of preventable disease will be the result of state negligence. This is why I am demanding that the government takes 6 concrete action measures starting now. Number 1, deploy mobile drying units to affected farmers before the harvest rots. Number 2, release county emergency funds immediately so that the counties themselves begin making the necessary preparations. Number 3, implement the Ukombozi petition the UGM party submitted to Parliament to tap unemployed youth to build flood defenses, and by so doing they will be employed. Mobilize every local and international resource openly and transparently and account for disaster-related expenditures in real time. Stock health facilities as a precautionary measure against the disease outbreak. And lastly, relocate the affected people to safety with dignity. Finally, I want to caution this government. We will not again allow state officials to exploit a national crisis or a disaster to create business opportunities for politically connected cartels. We have had them in the past, and we all know about that. This could easily be what the government is waiting for, so that they can get the cartels benefit from such a situation.
Mwanjito murigeria tugusuka mutwe nigabara ibikiama kia ODM bakuraga no mugavana we county ya Kisii Mosque Paul Simbarati na boigo Junet Mohamed batebire bunanige serikali irachikoba ikirugo kyo mokonyi bo muraibense na boigo igatie bintu binde mwanjito murigeria baba kusaba no bo wa serious batebire bunanigo barachikunyara bakubagana gati higonga kwegwa enusu asibara chikunyara bakumera na barekurwa sike amakirikia UDA mutinyogo cha nakubeka emirubiri yabo buna batagite.
As President Ruto is going for the presidency, we will also go for the deputy as a party. That's the position. It's clear. And we have so many of our top contenders that who want that position. We'll have our own inside party mechanism on how to come up with the best among them, or first among equals, because all of them, they will be the best. But the assurance we want to give the country, we will form the next government. That's for sure. And we ask another person who's outside there, who's a like-minded person, to join with us to see how we're going to forward. Okay. No, our party, ODM and the UDA, we will go 50-50. There is no shortcut about it. If we have no 50, there is no story. It's 50-50. Otherwise, the only thing is that because we have, again, first among equal, who is the Ruto, whom we are going to support, we equally will get half of the cabinet, half of the CSS, half of everything. And ODM is in every region of this country, every tribe. Therefore, every person will have a share in the government, as it were.
There are 86 members of parliament. How many have left us? Barely 7. I can count them with my fingers. 7 of them. It is Senator Sifuna, Osotsi, Kibagendi, Barongo, Omundi Karuli. Who else has left ODM? And Onyonka.
Yeah.
Who else has left ODM? Yeah.
Who else?
Yeah. And Orengo, who thought that he can become president after Raila, but I'm for sure he's coming back home. I can tell you. From what I saw yesterday in Kitale, an old man cannot be subjected to declare himself party leader. At least you can even get an MCA to declare you a party leader.
Nabego Mwanjito murigeria baraibe kanisa kuruase kanisa ya Chinsa mochie county ya Machakos bagikiri muwaziri uberindi bweme Mosque Kipchumba Murkomen asibatebire buna tarayira gitambo kiro kende yonsi wetera kiburaburu cyabere kikwene kiwa aseme sangirikano nabego asinsemo chitkansa au Mwanjito murigeria turanyore nkwana yabaraya
in terms of what I call very obvious cases that yes, it's been obvious that goons are inventing even churches, meetings, and it's worrying that no much action is taken against this. And that is why we are calling upon, and I made this clear, calling upon the relevant authorities. Again, it is within their mandate, it's within their power to act. Because if those that are in leadership are crying just like the common mwananchi about gonism, so now who is helping who? Who will come to the rescue of the common mwananchi? And that is why we're saying our leaders, the police, and every other person in authority, if they had the will, today we would be hearing of some prosecutions already done. Today we would be hearing of people implicated or people questioned, but it has gone silent. And to us as a church, we are saying this is very worrying. This is a situation where, just as we said, makes our future very bleak.
I want to encourage youth, let's go and have vote and start thinking whom and who will we choose. Nani anapaswa kusimama kwa ile kiti? Nani yu anafaa? Tusindanganyike kwa uongo kwamba fulani na fulani ataweza. Sisi kama viongozi, kama vijana tunaweza. Na tunaweza kusimama kwa gap, na tuweze kubandilisha nchi, na tuweze kujenga hata in the backing ground where we are coming from. tusiangalie he or she akona pesa anaweza simama. Even you yourself from where you are coming from, you can stand and vie for a seat na unaweza pata kura na tunaweza kupigia sisi kama vijana.
Tumurigeria tutigaita sensemo yoborendi meyense oigoni gomo konyi bomugabana bwe county ya Machakos manjito murigeria se county ya Machakos oyokoro kwanga Mwangangi neragikirie mwaziri boborendi boime na boigo egati ya baraibande babiri bakweneke cyura buru asemisangirikano.
Seme tumeona mikutano ya jana na juzi, polisi hawakutumwa pale na Murkomen na Omolo, na tumekuwa tukiona mikutano ya wale ambao hawaelewani na serikali, mikutano ya wanasiasa wa opposition ndio imekuwa ikitumiwa goons, ndio polisi wamekuwa wakiinterfere. Sasa jana na juzi tumeona hiyo mikutano, hata mikutano ya Rigathi Gachagua, mikutano ya kina Sifuna na grupu yake, tumeona polisi hawakutuma pale na Murkomen. Netane chukua fursa hii niseme ya kwamba ni vizuri waziri wa Interior Kipchumba Murkomen na PS wake bwana Omolo waache ofisi. Kwa sababu gani? Ni wao, tumejua maneno ya goons ni wao. The two are the chief goons in this country. Ni kwa nini wakati hawajatuma hiyo goons pale ama polisi mikutano imeenda vizuri? Kuonyesha ya kwamba wao they are the greatest threat to the unity of this country, to the cohesion of this country, to the statehood of this country. Kwa hivyo ni vizuri ni waombe voluntarily tu, nyinyi endeni, kwa sababu ukora wenu wa kuleta goons, ukora wenu wa kutuma polisi kuharibu mikutano ya umma ya watu ambao wanapinga serikali hii, ni nyinyi mmekuwa mkifanya. Na saa hii ni vizuri muondoke, ndio ambaye yule aliwatuma huko alete watu wengine wale wanataka kufanya kazi, wale ambao wanani. Na ni muombe waziri wetu wa usalama, tafadhali ongea kidogo. Wewe you are everywhere talking on how to deal with this, to deal with that, when in essence ni wewe umekuwa ukifanya haya mambo.
Nabego manjito murigeria umunachibi no monene madakome oburire byombe bteneta wacholi mensi ya Kenya kwenekea abuna nkwero birebire hasobo choli bogocha iribanya albogo kolekana asenchura iriganiri.
As we look ahead to the 2027 general elections, the National Council on the Administration of Justice must continue early preparations. Election preparedness extends beyond electoral management. It encompasses the readiness of the entire justice sector to uphold constitutionalism, the rule of law, to protect the rights, especially of the vulnerable, to manage disputes efficiently, and preserve public confidence in the rule of law. I encourage the NCAJ Election Preparedness Committee to continue providing leadership in facilitating coordinated planning among all our justice sector institutions.
Nabegoma Seneta Aaron Cheruyoti nero mochirie Rigathi Gachagua nigati ya baraibande bali bakwamiria serikali asobo cholwanya altibo kolekana aschinse mochia olikalau satebire buna bocholi obotwa bokolekanete ase obwegeno akorende ni aotebanga chikuranchi abete chikoiwa nabo igabanta bange bakaba gochero batachitkunyora chingaki chogwaka chikura.
Si ati kwamba hakukukuwa na wafuasi wa chama cha UDA, lakini wewe ulitumia goons na ukaenda ukiandika kwa milango ya wafuasi wa chama cha UDA, unaweka X na kutisha watu mpaka wakaogopa kupiga kura. Na hiyo tabia ulianza wakati ulianza kuita viongozi ati wale ambao wamekataa kukunga mkono unasema ni wasaliti wa jamii. Tungependa kusema hivi, Inspector General wa Police na IG na Waziri Murkomen hapana patia huyu muhuni anaitwa Rigathi Gachagua nafasi ya kuumiza Wakenya wengine. Hiyo tabia mimi namuona ati analalamika kuhusu goons, yet the chief goon in the Republic of Kenya is none other than Rigathi. Hakuna mtu anapanga vijana kufanya fujo kama ile walikuwa wamefanya kule Olkalao, alafu wanatuambia ati apatiwe ruhusa. And I would wish to challenge those that are in charge of NCIC. If some of us use the kind of language that is being used by Rigathi Gachagua, we will easily be called and asked to give clarification of what our comments meant. Yet it appears that there are two sets of laws in this country.
Na wikira wa Mwanjito muriria wita Sengen Soko TV na ngutera Amayia Chinsa Isano Ibere chia bona mugaso kurenchi kora Chinsa 10 no enyora yanda mange no musakito na bigo homoralito Ishmael Mogere na bigo gikorgense mo ya Margoba Chinsa to cha Margoba no yera subwagali na abaminto Mwanjito muriria kurera spono yenda gucingire miro bitimite Sengen Soko TV na roboroso bumugusi na butamenche kwa Diana ndemo tumerere anke.
Eye Nen Soko TV.